Don't mind my stuff over here. I'm about to settle in. But here's my king size bed. I asked for the room with the view. Let's see what the view hitting for. So, drape and share. Let's see. Ooh, you guys, look at that. Hold on. Wake up with a view. Welcome Vegas, baby. Hello. Look at the little mountains over there. We got the city view. We can see outside. Look at the highway over there. Okay, Vegas. Hello. The full mirror over here. Then we got a TV. We got some drawers. Damn. Oh, we got a little walk-in closet. Oh, we gotta say. Oh, we got the iron. This is important. There's no light in here. I need light, sweetie. That is not doing it for me. And these lights over here is not gonna do it for me. Alright, so here we have a bathroom. Now this is, I love this because you got the shower and you got the tub. The shower and the tub. You get the best of both worlds, honey, because you know sometimes some hotels, they only give you a shower or they only give you a bathtub. They don't give you both. Yes, ma'am. You got the nice little bathroom. Hold on. What's this? I think this turns on, no? I think this is a computer screen. Yes, honey. Hello, I'm in Vegas. I really like my room, y'all. When I tell y'all it is hot out here, it is hot out here, okay? So I'm about to settle in, put my stuff away, and I'm gonna get dressed, freshen up for a nice night. Like, I'm enjoying myself. I'm living my best life, and that's on what? That's on period. I'll see y'all in a few. Love y'all. Alright, you guys, so I just got dressed. It's my first night in Vegas for the first time. This light is giving. The light wasn't giving earlier, so I'm about to give y'all a quick drip check and show you what my outfit is looking like. Honestly, I'm the type of girl, I like to go with the flow. I like to go with wherever my feet take me sometimes. So I'm getting ready to just go outside and find something to eat. I look so good. Hold on, let me show you what your girl looking like. Hold on. So this is the outfit for tonight. I got this two-piece set from a website called Kali. I was supposed to do a try-on haul for y'all, but I just honestly just didn't have the time to. So don't mind my towel on the back. This is the outfit. I need some more light. So this is the outfit. I'm not gonna take my camera outside with me, so I'm gonna record on my phone. And yeah, catch you guys in a few. Mwah. You guys, I'm at the Flamingo. Nah, not me. We're outside with the camera. That's a vibe. Hello. Hello. In my cup, I will shut the fuck up. In my cup. Hello. Y'all, this food is so delicious. Cheers to more life. No, you don't. Stop saying. Y'all, she keeps saying she looks ugly. Comment down below and tell her that she's beautiful. Oh my god. Stop it. Hey, you guys. I'm in Las Vegas. So this morning, I went to the pool. I met Corey over here. And now we outside on the strip. We about to go get some drinks. And then some food after. Having a really good time. I'm awkward. But I'll catch you guys in a few, show y'all around and keep you updated. We're about to get some shots at this little spot. Oh wait for me. Good drinks. I'm looking for you in the camera and he all up in my shit. We're going back to the pool. Look at the view, honey. Palm trees and margaritas. Mood. Cheers.
I'm having a great time in Vegas. Look, in Vegas, you can do this. It's good vibes. I'm loving the energy. I feel good. I look good. And that's it. Like, we outside. Hotel's nice.
You